channel, Safu's Creation. Hi everyone, Safu's here. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and support us to post more tutorial videos. Today we are going to learn how to make an Kerala traditional Onam special Jhumka. This is a very good combination with Kerala traditional set sari or set mund. Materials required: quilling paper, quilling mold, quilling needle, ball chain, pearl chain, metal stud. You can use any other studs. Head pins, golden colored caps, golden beads, white glue, cutters, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, golden acrylic paint, paintbrush. Now let's get started. First we have to take 8 strips of quilling paper. Now we are going to take a little glue and stick one by one. You should be this quilling paper has 2 sides. You should be very careful while putting them. You should stick only one side by one side. Now let's stick our quilling paper. Now that I have stuck all the quilling papers together, I have got a long strip. Now you have to put the quilling paper into the quilling needle slit. And now let's start rolling our quilling paper. While rolling, don't make it too tight or too loose. You have to give a normal pressure while rolling, or else your Jhumkas might come out. I have finished rolling my coil. Now you have to stick your coil by putting only little glue. You know how you have to use the minimum amount of glue. If you use the maximum amount of glue, it will become very messy. Now this is my coil. The next step is to roll your coil using your quilling needle to make it more even. Now we are going to give shape to our Jhumka. You have to choose the correct size in the Jhumka mold and make the shape with your nails like this. Now we are going to apply glue inside our Jhumka. You have to apply it very properly. You are doing this in order to make your Jhumka more stronger. Now let's wait for our Jhumka to dry. Now we are going to apply golden acrylic paint to our Jhumka. After painting, if you're not satisfied, you can give a double coating of acrylic paint to your Jhumka. You can also use another acrylic colors for your Jhumka. Now we are going to put the head pin through under the Jhumka. Then we are going to put a bead cap. Then we will add our golden beads. Now we are going to make a loop. If you don't know how to make a loop, please watch our previous videos to learn how to make a loop. Now we are going to stick the pearl chain to our Jhumka. You have to first keep it in the size you want and cut out the pearl chain. Now you have to make glue on your Jhumka. On the border of your Jhumka, you have to make as much as the glue is needed. If you make little glue, the pearl might come out. So you have to make the glue and just press it with your fingers a little and spread it out. It's better to keep on your working surface while sticking your pearl chain, so it will stick without coming up or down. It will stick in a straight line. Now we are going to stick the stone chain also. Now I'm going to stick the ball chain to give it a grand look. If you're a simple wear lover, you can just skip this part and go to the next step. Now that we have made a one Jhumka ready, let's make the another pair too, by the time the another one dries. Now both the Jhumkas are ready, but we have to do some more steps to finish our Jhumkas. Now we are going to give both our Jhumkas a glue and water coating. We have to mix our glue and water in 1:1 ratio. We are giving this to make our Jhumka more stronger. Now let's keep our Jhumka for drying. Now let us add our stud to our Jhumka. You have to add the stud to our Jhumka by opening our loop a little by using our flat nose pliers and putting in the stud and just closing it with the flat nose plier itself. After putting the stud, the last step is to waterproof our Jhumkas. So today I am going to use clear nail polish to give my clear varnish. You can use any clear varnish. You are also getting clear varnish specially for quilling paper from any craft stores. You can use that also, but here I am using clear nail polish. We are giving clear nail polish or clear varnish to make our Jhumkas waterproof. Don't forget to give your clear varnish on the inside of your Jhumkas. We have to keep our Jhumka for drying in a safe place. Here I have kept on my earring stand. If you are a hook lover, you can use hooks instead of studs. Now we have finished both of our Jhumkas. Now let's take a look at our beautiful Jhumkas.